Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy XRP on Kucoin. It's quite easy to do this, but you must have a Kucoin account. And if you do not have an account on Kucoin, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses and trading gifts when you register and verify your account. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, all you need to do in order to buy the XRP is really simple. Simply scroll to the second page and select the more. Once you've selected more, simply scroll down till you find the bank card option and the P2P options in the assets menu. Click on bank card, and by selecting the bank card, simply input the USDT as the cryptocurrency of choice or the XRP as the cryptocurrency of choice. Now, you could simply enter an amount of USD you wish to buy the XRP for and simply click on buy XRP. Now, by doing this, you simply select the Apple Pay medium or the bank jar medium. And once you've selected any of these payment mediums, you simply complete the payment procedure. And to do this, you simply click on the confirm option, click on I have read, and click on confirm once more. So by simply doing that, you get to buy your XRP using your Apple Pay or any other options that are provided. Now, another alternative would be to simply click on the XRP and select the USDT. Enter an amount of the USDT you wish to buy, let's say $50. Click on buy USDT. Now, by doing this, you could simply buy your USDT using your card details, like your bank card, that's your debit or your credit card. And you can successfully purchase USDT using your Visa or your MasterCard. Now, once you've gotten a hold of the USDT, all you need to do is really simple. Click on the convert option at the screen, click on convert, and now you could simply click on the BNB or the USDT itself. Once you swap their places, replace the BNB with the XRP, and now you could simply purchase the XRP with your available USDT by clicking on max and clicking on the confirm option. So simply select confirm and the trade would then be done and your XRP will be deposited at the assets menu. The assets menu, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen, where you scroll from your overview to your funding or your trading account, depending on where your crypto is being stored. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can buy XRP on Kucoin and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.